Hi everyone and welcome to the Age. We are under trigonometry and we are solving trigonometric equations, specifically their angles. We are finding general solutions. So in this question, we are asked to find the general solution of the given trigonometric equation. Sine 2x is equal to 1028 degrees. Okay. So with general solutions, the aim is to get a single trig ratio that has the angle that we want to solve, right? Get it alone, either on the right hand side or on the left hand side. In this case, on the left hand side, we are only given sine 2x. Great. But on the right hand side, as you can see, we're given 1028 degrees as well. So I'm pretty sure you can say, okay, we have two trigonometric ratios, both sine and tan. But there is a difference. The difference is here, 1028 degrees, it can be written as a number. It doesn't have a variable. So maybe if it was 10x, then we would say that, okay, there are two trigonometric ratios that we're working with, two different trigonometric ratios that we're working with, and we have to change it in a way that we're just only going to end up with one. But in this case, 1028 degrees, it's a numerical value. It's not a variable. So yeah, it would essentially it would essentially be a variable. This one is like a number. If you type it in your calculator, you're going to get a number. So we can treat 1028 as a number, right? And then now we're looking at sine 2x. It's just a single trigonometric variable, right? So we can just go ahead and say, okay, sine 2x is already isolated. Now we can go ahead and solve 2x, treating 1028 as a number. So we know that with the general solution, we want to find the reference angle first. And we know that with a reference angle, you just go to your calculator and you would type shift sine, because now we're trying to solve this x, right? So we're going to say shift sine 1028 degrees. And if you type that, you're going to get 32.12 degrees. That's the reference angle. So now the second step would be to look at our cos diagram. In which quadrant is sine going to be positive? 1028, we can see that it's a positive number. Even if you type in your calculator, 1028, you get 0.53. It's a positive number. So in which quadrant is sine, the one that we're working with now, going to be positive? It's going to be positive here because it's the all quadrant. It's going to be positive here because it's the sine quadrant, and at the sine quadrant, sine is going to be positive, but it's going to be negative here. So we're not working with this quadrant. It's also going to be negative here at the cos quadrant. So we're not working with this quadrant. We know that the forms for the all quadrant is just going to be the reference angle. At the sine quadrant, the expression is going to be 180 minus the reference angle. So we already have the reference angle. So we can start by saying 2x is equal to, what is the reference angle? 32.12 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees, right? And then the second one would be 2x is equal to 180 degrees minus the reference angle, 32.12 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees. Let's label this as 1 and 2. But on both of them, they still a 2 there. So you want to divide this 2 on both sides. So let's start with 1 first. X would be, if you're going to divide by 2, you're going to divide both yeah and yeah. So 32.12 divided by 2 is 16.06 degrees plus k dot 180 degrees. You divide that one as well by 2. And then you say k is elementary to z. Remember, if you state it once, you don't have to state it again. So this is our first solution. And then at number 2, if we divide those ones by 2, okay, I forgot to simplify, but let's just say 180 minus 32.12. Take that answer divided by 2, you're going to get 73.94 degrees plus k dot 180 degrees, and that is going to be your second answer. Remember, you don't have to take KS elementary to Z to this one again. And so yes, that is how you solve this question. So remember, like I said, you want to make sure that, okay, if you're given a trig ratio such as 1028 degrees, see it as a number because there is nothing to solve there. You're already given the angle, you can type it in your calculator, it can turn into a number. So treat it as a number. So yeah, already it was simplified for us. We already have one single trig ratio that needed to be solved. And so the question was made to be much easier. And I hope I made sense. I hope you understood. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe to help grow our channel and to get more content like this. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.